Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul and today we have another unboxing, and as you can see from the box we have a Festina today, one of the brands that I think a lot of viewers like it when I unbox or review. And I saw this watch a couple of weeks ago and I thought, wow, that's a lot of good specs for the money. The reference number of the watch is, it's not written here, but it's the F20007-3. I'll leave it a link in the description for where I got this one, non-affiliated link, so shop around to get the best price. I'm not getting any kickbacks or anything from the link. I'm just providing it for information. I'll also provide the specs of the watch below. So what impressed me on the watch, by the way, that's this one costs 116 euros, and the box is not bad. I would have preferred a less fancy box, so you can put the costs, almost everything into the watch. But here we go, we have a dress watch or office watch from Festina with a quartz movement, as you can see this part, and sapphire crystals. So we have a 40 millimeters diameter. We have 50 lug to lug actually, and thickness of 10 millimeters, lug width of 20, and it's water resistant to 10 bar, stainless steel case and case back, around 90 grams with the strap, no, 86 grams with the strap, polished all over, so the case is polished, and you have this blue dial with stamped guilloche and golden indices. That's why I said it's more of a dress watch, because of this golden indices and golden hands with the blue. Gives it a really more elevated look. And like I said, the price 116 euros, which is quite good. And so let me change the time to 10:10, and leave it ticking. Polished all over, like I said. And then I unboxed this as well. If you like, you will find it in the videos that I uploaded in the last couple of weeks, and I'll compare it with this one, because basically I think the Seiko offers really good package for the money, and even for less money you have this one. The strap is, like I said, you have to put away. You have here Festina on the strap, and I think it will be a little bit too large on my wrist. Let me put it on a strap and see how it will look. I wanted to show you guys something before I put the strap on. Here you can see they have two holes for the lug, so that means that even if you have a, let's say, preference, if you want the strap to be let's say nearer to the case, so it wears more snug on your wrist, or larger, which I really like, especially in that price. So you can see here I put it on the second hole and here on the first hole. So if you like the watch to be like this, so the strap case, or more like this, more of a personal preference, and also depending on how you want to how you have your wrist look with the watch. So let's say if I put it on my wrist like this, it does protrude much more when I use this style. So I think this one is more for larger wrists, and this one for smaller wrists. But I will do a comparison video and maybe a small 60 seconds review video for this watch, and I will compare this watch to this Seiko and maybe a couple of other around the 150 euros range, just to give you an example of what could be bought in that range. Anyways, that's all it for this watch. Like I said, you have sapphire crystal, you have 100 meters of water resistance, you have a Japanese quartz inside, I think. No, Swiss made, so a Swiss quartz. I'm not sure. Yeah, you have even Swiss made here at the 6 o'clock, which is quite nice for 116 euros to get the Swiss made badge as well. So if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to subscribe by pressing the button in here. Or if you would like to see more videos, you're going to find them on the left and on the right. So see you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.